Okay, today we will perform our next experiment, that is to determine initial and final setting time of our given sample of cement. So for this we will require the apparatus, BCAD apparatus with mold, then C type and F type needle, sensitive weight balance of capacity 1 kilogram, maximum capacity I am talking about, then trowel, measuring cylinder, spatula, tray. Okay, and a stopwatch and timer. And a timer. We need this. So let's understand the concept in brief. In short, let's understand. First, we will take 400 gram of cement. I am talking about initial setting time. After taking 400 gram of cement, we will mix 0.85 pW amount of water. What is that? 0.85 pW. P is the normal consistency of that cement and weight is, W is the weight of, that is P is the normal consistency of that cement sample, W is the weight of the given cement sample. So this much of water will be added in the cement and timer is noted. We will note the time where the process is started and we will place this mixture in the mold that should be within 3 to 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes. And what we will do, we have used plunger in case of normal consistency, but in this case we will use C type needle. There are two type of needles, one is C type, another is F type. C type is used for your initial setting time and F type is used for your final setting time. So we will use a C type needle. We will, let me draw, you will easily understand. This is the mold. This is the cement, this is our sample filled in the mold. What we will do, we will just touch the tip of the needle on the surface of our filled surface. Okay. After that, we will release it and note the time where the needle will move. The needle will be present at a distance of 5 to 7 mm from the bottom of the mold. So the time passed from position 1 to position 2 is known as the initial setting time, and this should not be more than 30 minutes, should not be less than 30 minutes. Okay, so again I am telling you the point, the time where the tip of the needle will be present at a distance of 5 to 7 mm from the bottom of the mold is noted, and from initial to that time should not be less than 30 minutes. So this time is called initial setting time. This is our standard value. 30 minutes is our standard value. So that time is noted and that is called our initial setting time. Let's move to another, our second component, that is final setting time. What is that? In place of C needle, we will use F type of needle and note the time where the needle tip will make an impression of that mold, impression of the sample, surface of the sample. Suppose this is the mold and so, that is filled with our sample. The time where the F type of needle will make an impression on the surface is noted, and this is given as sample 3, timer 3. So the time elapsed between point 1 and point 3 is known as our final setting time, and that should not be more than 10 hours. So again I am telling, the time elapsed between point 1 and point 2 is initial setting time, and time elapsed between point 1 to point 3 is final setting time. In this case, the needle will be present at a distance of 5 to 7 mm from the base of the mold, that is used for initial setting time. Here F needle will make just an impression on the surface, that will be used in final setting time. Thank you. Let's go to the practical. As all of you can see, we have taken 400 gram of cement. So now we will add the water, and remember, while mixing the water and placing the water in the mold, we have to remember that we should do all the process not more than 5 minutes. That should be done within 3 and 5 minutes, and we will put the porcelain, fill the mixture in this mold, and before filling we will put this mold over the non-porous glass plate and fill the mixture. And remember again, this process should be done within 5 minutes. After the filling, what we will do, we will use this spatula and remove the extra portion and make this surface plain. Okay, let's start. We have taken 96 ml of water. How we got this 96 ml? As per you know, the water added should be 0.85 pW. 0.85 into P4, that is normal consistency. Here in this case, this is 28%, and W is the weight of the cement. So let's add it and mix it. And mix it. We will use this trowel while mixing. Mix thoroughly. Now all of you can see we have mixed the sample here, and we have placed the sample in the mold, and you can see the C-type needle tip just touches the surface of our sample. Okay, fill in the mold, and here bottom it is the base. Okay, glass base. Now what I just, before the starting of the practical, I will show you something that is very important. I will show you the reading here. Here this is not 0, because this is at, it will start at 5. Okay, here you can see this is 45. Okay, let me show you clearly. This is 45 here. Okay, our needle is at 45. Okay, so we will release here, we will release the needle. Okay, let me start the practical. And we have started the practical at 4:22 p.m. Okay, now we will release it. Now you can see the needle is moving, and we will wait up to 30 minutes to see that the needle will be at a position of 5 to 7 mm from the base. What do you mean by that? Because we have started at the reading of 45. That means that will, all of you can see we have released the needle, and you know the height of the mold is 40 cm. Okay, and the height of the mold you know is 40 mm, and while starting the practical our pointer was at 45. Here in the scale it was at 45. That means for the initial setting time the needle should be at a distance of 5 to 7 mm from the base. So we will take the maximum value for safety. That means the needle will move 40 minus 7, that is 33 mm from the top. Okay, that means on the scale it will move from 45 to 45 minus 33, that is up to 12. So when the needle will reach as 12, we will find our initial setting time. Thank you. So we will wait and see what will happen. Now after 36 minutes, you can see our needle is at a distance of, our scale is showing 13 mm, 12.5 to 13 mm. So now we can assume that our initial setting time is 36 minutes. Okay, because within that time our needle move from the top of the surface, to 33 mm. Okay, because our height of the mold is 40 mm, and our needle just moved 33 mm from the top of the surface within that time. The time is 36 minutes, so our initial setting time is 36 minutes. We can see the C-type needle has moved 33 mm from the top of the surface of the mold. Okay, we have filled the cement paste on the mold, and our C-type needle has moved 33 mm from the top of the surface within 36 minutes. So that is our initial setting time. Let's go for final setting time. You can see the pointer, and you can also see the needle position. Okay, the time elapsed is 36 minutes. So this is our initial setting time. Now we will do final setting time. For final setting time, all of you can see we have changed the needle. Earlier we were using this type of needle. This is called C-type needle. But final setting time we are using the F-type needle. The base is different. Okay, so we have tested the sample. We have checked the sample. We perform the test for every 1.5 hours to check whether the impression is made on the surface by the F-type needle. Okay, and after 10 hours we found out that there is a impression on the top of the surface. So it should after 10 hours we found out the impression made by F-type needle on the surface of the sample that is filled in the mold. So the purpose is, the final setting time is from the starting point where we mix the sample, then we got the initial setting time where the C-type needle will move at a distance, move 33 mm from the top or 5 to 7 mm from the bottom. And for final setting time we will use F-type needle, where we will note the time when the F-type needle will make an impression, and our sample gave the result after 10 hours. So our final setting time is 10 hours. Okay, you also can follow this rule to find out the final setting time. Thank you.